Hello viewers, this is your boy Stone, and I'm right here with another video on the Santeo road. Right, it has been a long time that I brought you guys a video concerning this project, this road project, right? So I'm once again here to give you an update, to show you what is going on or how far they have come with this huge project, right? So I'm gonna start a video from here. If you guys know here very well, this is where they call warehouse, right? So I'm gonna start a video from here to show you what is actually going on this particular road, right? So currently they are constructing the gutters and also trying to collect or dig the ground and put in the gravels, the stones, and the laterite. So now they have graded the grounds, they have graded the road. So this is how it looks like at this moment. So you can see it's a very huge road, very huge road. It's going to be maybe dual or 3-lane road, or maybe probably 4 if there's not going to be a pedestrian lane between it, or in the middle. Then it's gonna be more than 2, or it's gonna be 3 or 4 lane road. So you can see this is what is going on the Santeo road. So I'll be bringing you updates on how far they have come or what is going on. So this particular road is awarded to Jasmine Construction Company. They are the ones that constructed the Lakeside road from Gates to Lakeside, right, where the Community 8 Cancer Hospital is located. So they are the ones that constructed that one, and they are the people that has been constructing this particular one, or that they have awarded this particular contract to. So at this moment I've not seen them on site, but maybe they are on site, but they've not, they are not around this site. Maybe they might be somewhere forward, because they have, I could see that they have done all this place. So maybe they might be around Santeo last stop, or where the dam is. Maybe they might be at that side, because all this place has been, all the gutters has been done, and the road too, they have graded. So I think the next thing is going to be these chippings. They're going to put the chippings on and try to level it also with the chippings and the gravels. Then I think the next thing will be the quota, or the asphalt. So this is what is happening. So right here we are at the Pani, or where they call California. We are almost getting to California, right? So this is what is going on the Santeo road. So I'm just going to do a 10-minute video, right? So wherever it ends, then I'll end it there and bring you guys an update, or continue the next time I come here. Yeah, I do this because my camera space is not that huge, or my storage is not that huge. That's why I'm not able to do a long video, but I would do a 10 minutes or maybe 12, then come next time and continue from where I ended. Yes, and one of my viewers asked me to do from gate, so maybe the next time I'm going to start from gate and end it where I start this particular video. So let's see how we are going to do this. Let's see how we're going to do to cover the route project that is going on, to cover to where they have ended or they are currently, or where they have gotten to. Yeah, so that's what we are going to do. So be expecting videos on this particular road project more often, because I've resumed, right? There was a lot that constitute to me not coming to me not doing videos, right? But I think some way somehow a part has been solved, or a part, yeah, I would say that a part has been solved. So you'll be getting videos from me nowadays, or maybe consistently. So be watching out, right, for videos on East Legon Hills project, and also road constructions that are going on around the East Legon Hills. Specifically, I'll be covering more, I'll be doing more videos on the East Legon Hills and Santeo area, because most of my subscribers have their property, and also there's a lot going on in this area, or this environment called East Legon Hills. So I'll be doing more coverage or more videos on this particular area called East Legon Hills and Santeo, right? So that's what I'm going to give to my people, and if the need be, or if more support, or I get support, I might get some motor or car and go around, or if probably I'm able to get a motor, I'll be glad, and I'll be able to cover a lot of places, cover a lot of projects and things that are going on in Ghana, or yeah, probably in Ghana and other places. Yeah, so I need you guys to support me. I need you guys to help me. Without you guys, it's gonna be difficult for me to do those videos, or it's gonna be difficult for me to manage this channel. So I need your support in terms of you watching, in terms of money, in terms of you sharing the video, and all those things are something that you can do to help your boy Hugo Stone, right? For us to be able to manage the channel, or for us to be able to maintain what we are doing, or for us to go on doing what we are doing for you guys, right? So this is what is happening. This is where we call Encrabia. So this is what is happening at Encrabia at this moment, and Santeo Road, right? So this is Encrabia, where we call Encrabia, if you've heard of it. This is what is going on here at Encrabia. Yeah. So the Santeo Road, my viewers, my subscribers that are asking about the Santeo Road. So today I come with an update. I want you guys to check it out, subscribe, watch to the end, and also share, right? Yeah, share. Make sure you share, so that I'll be able to get more viewers and more subscribers as well. So currently we need more viewers, we need more watch hours, so help me to get it done, and also financially can do that to help. So this is what we are doing. This is what is going on. So you can see that a lot is happening over here on the Santeo Road. So as I said earlier, it's just one construction company that is doing this construction. Yeah, they are the ones that is doing this Santeo route. Santeo route. Yeah, so I can see that construction is still ongoing in front of us. I can see those places to the gutters and the road. The gutters has been constructed, and the road too, they have graded them all. I can see that they've graded. Those that knows about Santeo road very well, you would realize that there was a lot of potholes over here. There was a lot. Should I even say that it's potholes? It's like it was a manhole. It was a manhole. It was very, very big. Those potholes that were on this road was very, very big. But I think now that they graded it, it's a little better, or I can say that it's better, far better than it was before. Yeah, it's far better than it was before, because first, when it rains, you won't be able to come here because the water will be filled with that manhole or potholes that was on the road. But now you can see that it's at least leveled. Yes, it is at least graded, so a car can go through in and out without any much struggle. Just a little potholes that you face, but that one will even shake your car a little. You understand? Because it's not asphalted yet, so this thing is common. You would face it. So you can see that project is still ongoing, and Santeo is becoming, is developing, is becoming nice, right? I can see projects all around the road. I can see stores all around the road, and that is a good thing. It's a good thing, yeah. It's a good thing, because that is what is going to bring the development as well. And you know, this is beautiful. Amazing, amazing. So viewers, as you can see, this is what is going on the Santeo route. Santeo route. Yeah, construction is still ongoing. You could see that they didn't end it at that side, but you could see that it's still going. They say caution, men at work. So I don't know where they've got into at this moment, but as I was saying, I think they've really gone far. They've really gone far. They've really gone far, yeah. And I was even thinking that they've got to somewhere here, but I can see from the video, or from what I see right now, I can see that they have really gone far than I was expecting, or they have really gone far than what I was thinking. Because I thought the work has been paused, or they are not attending to it, but today I just realized that the work has not been paused and it's still ongoing, because all this place has been, the gutters has been constructed and the road has been graded, and I can see that it goes on and on. It's still ongoing. It's cool. It's cool. It's nice, and we are hoping that they will do more. They will finish this. They will complete it, and it will be easy to travel on this road, because this road goes all the way to Ashama Tema under bridge. So this road, when it's done, is going to really help it's really going to help. So I think it's a nice thing that they are doing it, they are constructing it, because it's going to really help the traveling being easy to other areas. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe.